Predicting tech is usually a messy mix of hype, vaporware, and PowerPoints pretending to be prototypes. But 2026 has a different feel. There are 5 technologies already in advanced testing, manufacturing pipelines, or government adoption that are guaranteed to break into the real world. No speculation, no maybe someday. These are locked, loaded, and set to hit the public fast. Graphene-enhanced energy storage. Graphene has been the miracle material for more than a decade, but 2026 is the year it jumps off the lab bench. Chinese and South Korean manufacturers are finalizing graphene-blended lithium cells that charge 5 times faster and operate at lower temperatures. One prototype hit 80% charge in under 5 minutes without thermal runaway. Electric vehicles, drones, even home battery walls are about to get a steroid injection. The real unlock? Graphene's insane conductivity makes battery degradation almost non-existent, meaning your EV battery might last longer than the car itself. Neural Lens Augmented Reality. Forget chunky headsets. 2026 introduces AR systems built into contact lenses with micro displays thinner than an eyelash. Companies like Mojo Vision already have working prototypes, and defense contractors are testing versions for soldiers. These lenses project HUD-style overlays directly onto your vision. Navigation markers, facial recognition notes, health metrics, and real-time translation. They're powered by tiny biosafe batteries and controlled by micro eye movements. No glasses, no visor, just reality upgraded. Small modular reactors, SMRs. Nuclear is returning, not as giant facilities, but as factory-built reactors the size of shipping containers. Governments in Europe, Canada, and Asia have already approved full-scale deployments starting in 2026. These SMRs produce up to 300 megawatts each, run for years without refueling, and have passive safety systems with no meltdown risk. Because they're pre-built and shipped ready to install, they cost a fraction of traditional nuclear. A town, base, or industrial park can power itself with a single unit. This is the first time in modern history where clean baseload power might actually keep up with global demand. Maglev Freight Systems. Passenger maglev trains stole the spotlight, but freight is where the revolution really happens. New ultra-efficient magnetic levitation cargo systems are set to launch trial routes in 2026, including China's 600 kilometers per hour maglev freight line. No wheels means almost no friction. That means faster deliveries, less noise, and lower energy consumption. Engineers are already testing autonomous loading docks where robotic cranes drop containers onto hovering platforms. By the late 2020s, entire supply chains might shift to silent, floating rails connecting megacities. Quantum mesh security networks. Quantum computers aren't fully mainstream yet, but the security systems built to defend against them are. The world is rushing to quantum-safe encryption, and the most advanced form, quantum mesh networking, is being deployed by governments and select corporations in 2026. Instead of relying on math-based encryption, these networks use quantum key distribution where any attempt to intercept or duplicate the signal destroys the message instantly. It's communication protected by physics, not software. Banks, military units, and major cloud providers are already installing the first-generation hardware. Each of these 5 techs represents a pressure point, a place where the world bends in a new direction. Graphene batteries mean energy everywhere. Neural lenses collapse the boundary between physical and digital. SMRs rewrite power grids. Maglev freight reshapes global trade. Quantum mesh security locks down communication at a level no hacker can crack. 2026 isn't just another year of gadgets. It's the year the foundation pieces of the next decade slide quietly into place, and everything after looks different because of it.